Hey, what's up guys? It's Bruno with Ryka Wheels. So today we're here to show you guys the 2-inch lift kit for the 2018 to current Subaru Crosstrek. So this is a 2-inch lift kit in the front and a 1.5-inch in the rear. We'll open up the box, show you guys all the contents in it. So every kit does come with an install guide. If you lose it, you can't find it, doesn't come with it, we do have a PDF version that we can email to you as well. So aside from the install guide, this kit does come with a brake line relocation tab for the rear. You will get the spacers for the front. These are all strut spacers. So spacers for the front, they're all marked driver and passenger, so you can't really mess this up. And if you don't know how to read driver passenger, they all come with a D and a P stamped on top also. So spacers for the rear, pretty easy. You'll also find another one of those little install tips that we have. Sometimes these studs are not perfectly parallel, so you could just screw on a nut on there, tap 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 tap, and then you can just get them to go in or out, whatever you need. It's also got all the baggies with all the hardware that you need. So, and if you are missing anything, you can always let us know. We will ship it all out to you. You get sway bar relocation brackets, also powder coated, E-coated. So these kits are E-coated and then powder coated on top, not just your standard powder coat. So that wraps it up. This is the 2018 to current Subaru Crosstrek 2-inch lift kit. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Shoot us a DM on Instagram, or you guys can email me directly at bruno@rykavs.com.